Japan aims to introduce around 10 million robots in the country by 2040. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Economy, Trade, and Industry Minister Ryose Akazawa announced to deploy robots in almost 18 fields while putting food manufacturing and medical care to earlier priorities. The government intends to establish a core AI robotics hub across the country that'll help companies adopt robots in coming years, particularly in sectors already struggling with staff shortages. The government plans to build a data infrastructure for physical AI and robots that reflects the country's own industrial strengths. It'll lean on decades of experience operating machinery in hazardous or labor-scarce environments nationwide. Officials say they'll collaborate with research institutions in the US, Canada, France, and the UK to support development of the base model. The resulting technology will be made available widely to Japanese AI developers, businesses, and eventual users across multiple industries and regions. Some companies are even expected to use the platform as a foundation for expanding into foreign markets in later years. Japan's aging population and restrictive migration policies continue creating labor shortages across industries, struggling to recruit sufficient numbers of workers. Policymakers see automation as a practical response because many vacancies remain difficult to fill through conventional hiring efforts alone. Now, whether those ambitions become reality may depend on sustained investment, technical progress, and how well the public adapts to it. More updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.